The American goldfinch is a small North American bird in the finch family. It has a distinctive call that you can hear prominently in this video. And the males are showy yellow with black wings and tail, and the females are olive yellow with black wings, and they're about like 5 inches long, and they love seeds like from thistles and sunflowers and coneflowers, and they have a bill adapted just for extracting seeds from those plants. And they're often seen in flocks, especially during migration in winter. Around my feeders in front, I very seldom see them, and if I do, it's just 1 or 2 at a time. They are late nesters, often breeding in the summer, and the nests are typically built in shrubs or small trees. They love native flowers like coneflowers and sunflowers and nyjer seed. In this green feeder here, it's filled with sunflower seeds in one half and nyjer seed or thistle, I think they're the same thing, in the other half. So that's probably why there's a red finch here and a yellow finch.